Atma Namaste. I am sharing my experience of today's basic pranic healing workshop, which was conducted for age group of 16 to 23. The experience of this workshop was really awesome. I felt so energetic after conducting the course. I would like to share one experience. When I was discussing about the topic of forgiveness, I asked them to forgive, and they said there is nobody to forgive. That time I realized this is the right point to teach forgiveness and make it confirm in their mind, so that whenever they encounter any critical person in the life, it is by default program of forgiveness. The course energy was so enthusiastic that we all enjoyed a lot. The students was enjoying so that they don't want to leave the workshop room after the workshop itself. So we would like to thank all of you for organizing and helping us to conduct this workshop. Thank you.